Welcome back, artists. Now that I have all three of my different complementary pair Notans done, I'm ready to assemble them all together. So I'm gonna get my three back, and then I'm also gonna get two long strips. And the first thing I'm gonna do is on one of these long strips of paper, I can write my name and my class code. And then I'm going to flip that over so I can't see my name and my class code anymore. I'm going to do a line of glue dots down this strip of paper, but before I do, I'm gonna plan out which order I want my Notan in. So maybe I want my orange and blue one on top, my yellow and purple one in the middle, and then my red and green one will go way down here on the end. Yeah, I like how that looks, so I think I'm ready to start gluing. I'm gonna move these off to the side, and I'm gonna start putting glue dots down my strip. When I'm doing these, I'm just gonna keep them in the middle of my strip, making dots all the way down, making sure that I don't have big puddles, okay? And then I can take my first one, which I wanted it to be my orange and my blue, and I'm gonna put it and line it up with the edge so it covers that white strip. And then I would put down my next one I want, lining it up so it covers that white strip. Notice how it's not on top of my orange and my blue one, it's just right next to it. And then my final one. I'm not done yet though, because I have this other strip that I need to glue down still. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of squeeze it under, so it's kind of hiding underneath those. Look, I haven't glued it down yet, but you can kind of see it right there. And I'm gonna hold down one side. I'm gonna hold this down at the base of my hand, and I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna lift up this first one and then do some glue dots just where that first one is. And then I'm gonna make sure it's lined up nicely before I stick down. And then I'm gonna move down to the next one. So I'm holding this one in place, lifting, putting down glue dots, and lining it up to stick it down. And my final one, I don't have to hold anything down since it's at the bottom. Lift it up, put some glue dots, and stick it down. And now they're all together.